Common terms. URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the unique address of a website, such as www.google.com, www.readifmail.com. Hyperlink. It is a link on a text or an image, which on clicking takes the user to another location. These are highlighted and underlined text which changes the mouse pointer to a hand pointer when mouse pointer is placed over these links. Offline. When the user works on a system without the internet connection, then it is called offline. Online. When the user works on a system with the internet connection, then it is called online. Surfing. Moving from one website to another or one web page to another is called surfing. Website. A collection of related web pages is called a website. Web page. A single online page related to a topic is called a web page.